In terms of the wider logistics industry, it's less to do with government policies, to be honest. Of course, all players in the logistics industry want a free market. We want to free up the passage of goods. Continuing investment in rail infrastructure. The future of Network Rail is important. A new government may well take a different view as to the way Network Rail is managed, the balance between freight and passengers. Of course, as in the logistics industry, we want freight to have its voice, and often it's drowned out by the talk about passenger requirements on the rail network. But even the road network, there is the concept of a strategic freight network, which includes roads. In Liverpool, in particular, there's a commitment to upgrade one of the key roads out of the port. We need to see that happening, and as the whole way the logistics industry evolves in the UK, particularly with internet retail and so on. We're going to have to expect a far freer movement of traffic and so on, and even more so than in the past, having that capacity on our road and rail network is absolutely crucial. One thing about the Port of Liverpool is that ships can bring cargo straight into the heart of the UK, very, very close to what is the centre of the freight and logistics industry, which is within 100, 150 miles of Liverpool. And we feel that that increasing the amount of cargo coming in and out of a port like Liverpool relieves the transport networks in the south of the country, for example. A huge proportion, 95% of containers come in through ports in the south of the country. 60% of those then move by road or rail north of Birmingham, which is absolutely crazy. So in terms of the whole efficiency, in terms of reducing carbon emissions, in terms of reducing congestion, and really making the whole logistics supply chain operate more smoothly, something like the investment that we're making in Liverpool, and coming back to transport for the north and the northern powerhouse, it's why it's so crucially important that momentum is continued.